Hello, let's read lesson 7. Seventh lesson. England is a country. France is a country. Norway is another country. Turkey is another country. Egypt, Italy, Poland are other countries. The people of England are English. They speak English. The people of Germany are German. They speak German. The people of Norway are Norwegian. They speak Norwegian. Toliau čia skaitom, kur nuo Mr. Presley, puslapis 50. Mr. Priestley is English. He is an Englishman. He speaks English. His language is English. Teacher: What country are you from, Mr. A? And what is your language? Mr. A: I am from Poland. I speak Polish. I am a Pole. My language is Polish. What country are you from, Mr. B? I am from Italy. I speak Italian. What country are you from, Miss C? I come from Mexico. I speak Spanish. What are you, Mr. D? Are you Spanish? No, I'm not a Spaniard. I am Portuguese. Are you Swedish, Miss E? No, I am not Swedish. I come from Denmark. I am Dane. My language is Dutch. I come from France, from Paris. I am French, a Parisian. My language is French. My friend Olga comes from Finland. She is Finnish. She speaks Finnish. Her language is Finnish. My brother and I come from Greece. Our country is Greece. We both speak the same language, Greek. Our language is Greek. Mr. H and his brother come from Greece. Their country is Greece. They both speak the same language, Greek. Their language is Greek. Tada dar paskaitysiu pratimą pirmą, tik tai šalis, nes čia biški sunku. Gal ir daugiau paskaitysiu. I come from France. My language is French. He comes from Turkey. His language is Turkish. You come from Spain. Your language is Spanish. They come from China. Their language is Chinese. We come from Denmark. Our language is Danish. I come from Greece. My language is Greek. He comes from Hungary. His language is Hungarian. She comes from Germany. Her language is German. They come from Persia. Their language is Persian. We come from Italy. Our language is Italian. He comes from Japan. His language is Japanese. We come from Portugal. Our language is Portuguese. I come from England. My language is English. You come from Romania. Your language is Romanian. They come from Russia. Their language is Russian. He comes from Holland. His language is Dutch. You come from Norway. Your language is Norwegian. We come from Wales. Our language is Welsh. He comes from Finland. His language is Finnish. She comes from Sweden. Her language is Swedish. Tai tiek apie šalis. Ačiū.